Hi, I am Sonja Sparkle. I have wine today. I don't normally do that, but today I am. Yay! So I have an unboxing. Super excited for this. I've actually had this sitting there for the longest time and I keep wanting to open this and use it, and I've just been waiting to do this unboxing, so let's do this. This is Kaleidos or Kaleidos? I don't know. I want to say Kaleidos, but I think I saw other people say Kaleidos. I don't know. So I hope I didn't like butcher it, but this is how it looks on the inside. It has this little card and it's all wrapped up really nice. And so I haven't been able to take a sneak peek like I do so often. So like, 'cause it's really packaged up in here. And I really want to buy more stuff from them too. There's so much I want to buy, so much makeup I want to get, and so little money that I have. I opened this so long ago, I honestly didn't even remember what I got, but there's two things in here, and this is like Christmas. It's like a complete surprise to me. I have no idea what I got. So I'm really excited. This is such pretty packaging. It's so pretty. So it opens up like this. And oh, it completely opens. Oh, it's gorgeous. Look at this. Oh, oh no. Oh, I am so sad because it's broken on the inside. Oh my gosh, do you see that? That makes me so completely sad. Oh, it's like a mess. Like, it's completely a mess. Oh, I'm sad. I'm sad. Okay, let me go grab my glasses. Let me put back this safety protector because it says the names of the colors, and I'm hoping that will keep the color in place if I hold it there. So the first one is Nocturnal, and it's like a brown color. Then it says Moonroof, and then Dreamscape. Dreamscape is the one that's broken. Then Midnight Flora, and then Wisteria, and then last is Crater Grove. So, and it has, like, seriously, this is so cute and so nicely put together. I'm just so sad that it's broken because it's like a mess. I'm gonna try to push it down. I don't know if that'll work. Oh, well, let's just do a swatch of the one that's broken. So we're gonna do a swatch of that one first. And I saw a video of these and they are just unbelievable. Like, totally unbelievable. They're so gorgeous, like, for real. That is just amazing. That's why I'm sad it's broken. I'm gonna have to take such good care of this. I mean, I can still use it. I just have to make sure I always have it like completely flat. Can't travel with this. All right, so let's do the Nocturnal. Nice, like, matte. Okay, now the Moonroof. Oh, that one I'm really excited for. Oh, it looks so pretty. Oh my gosh. Do you see that? Oh, these are so gorgeous. Oh. And I had to put on makeup today, so I did like a really basic look because I was just gonna like put some on my eyelids. I have to. I've been waiting for this for so long. Okay, so now Midnight Flora. That's just like a matte, a pretty purple. I love purples and blues and pinks. Ah. Okay, now Wisteria. I'm gonna have to do another video and do a whole makeup look with this. I'm not gonna do that today. I'm just gonna like put something on my eyelids. And the last one is that Crater? Yeah, Crater Grove. And that's this one up here on my knuckle. These are so pigmented and they're super soft. They're so pretty. I am so bummed that the one is broken. Oh my gosh, that makes me so sad. You have no idea. All right. So let's just like swatch some on my eyelids. I have to because they're just too pretty not to. Like, I have to do something. I don't know what, because I actually put on more eye makeup than I intended to. So I'm just gonna like kind of just try to flatten this down and blend it out more so it's not really as much there. So I did like all browns, and I did an elf makeup look today on TikTok, so it was just like an easy thing. So I already have browns on my eyelids, so I think I'm gonna take, they're so powdery, like so powdery. I'm gonna take like this Midnight Flora, and I'm just gonna put it on the outer corner. I should probably zoom you in. It looks so pretty. And this is not even the sparkly color yet. Oh, I love this. Looks so pretty, right? Okay, which of these two shiny should I put on? I think I need to put on the one that's actually broken, so let's do that. And I'm just gonna I actually think I'm gonna try to use a brush to do it. I actually wish I would have put down something to hold all of this to my eyelid better. That's right, it's the end of the day. I think it could really use like some glue because it doesn't feel like it's gonna stay in place very well. That looks so pretty. Let me back up just slightly. I like it. I feel like I want to add on a little bit more mascara. I think I'm going to use this Essence Lash Princess. I love this mascara. I don't know, I really like that. I think it is so pretty. I hope the camera's picking it up the same way I'm seeing it in my mirror right here. It is so shiny, but I think I would definitely use next time, like on the shiny colors, I would use some sort of glue adhesive to hold that down, just because I can see it is traveling around everywhere already. So I love that. Bummed that it was broken, and I definitely want some time when it's just brand new fresh makeup to play with that more, but it is so pretty. It is traveling all over my eyes though, but I really want to play with that more. I really do. So next, when you have glasses, we have this. And I have no idea what I bought here. Ooh, it's a lip clay in Pink Moon. Okay. Ooh, I'm excited. I didn't know I got some sort of lippy. So let's look. Oh, that's pretty. So it's Pink Moon is the color. Let me take off my lips. Oh, you twist it off. Let me put like a little swatch. Oh my gosh. Look at that. But you can't really see it. I think I'm gonna line my lips really fast first. I think I'm gonna use this one. This is Lime Crime Chiffon, and I love this lip liner. I feel like it matches my lips really well. It's actually my favorite go-to one now. Yeah, I have like glitter all over my face, like all over on my lips, everywhere. There's glitter. Lips lined. All right, let's try it. All right. smooth and soft. And I like the color. I like it. It feels good. It doesn't really feel like there's much on my lips. It doesn't feel dry or anything. I'm wondering, like, if it smudges, how it works. I wish I would have got a brighter color, but... So there's the color on my hand. Let's see. I mean, it smudges, so I think it'll smudge off my lips. So we'll just go on that assumption. But I feel like I need a gloss over the top because I like shiny lips. Like if you like a matte, this is like probably perfect for you, but I like shiny lips. So let's just go with like this clear e.l.f. There, I like that better. So this was a fun box. I am slightly disappointed. This was sad to me. I was so excited for this and that it's broken. Like, that's sad. This was sitting there for so long and I think I was like so excited for it, and I do feel slightly disappointed now. I feel like, I don't know. I feel like I need to come back and use this again when my eyes are better prepped for the eyeshadow. And I like this color a lot. It just doesn't necessarily go with my eyeshadow look that I have going on. But these colors are stunning. I mean, like, seriously, look at those. What I don't understand is how come they're sticking on my hands so well. But you see, you can see, look, I touch my hand and they just like go everywhere. They don't stay in place. So you definitely need something to hold those down in place, because that's what's happening on my eyes. So I definitely want to try more products, I think, and maybe see if the next thing I get hopefully isn't broken. So this was definitely fun. It was fun just having a quick unboxing and trying this out. But if you could do me a favor, just go ahead and like this video. Help me out. Since I'm small, all the likes really help. Comment, let me know what you think I should try next. I only try vegan and cruelty-free makeup, so put some suggestions in the comments. Subscribe to my channel. I love it when people subscribe to my channel. I love new friends. And then hit the notification bell so that way you know every time I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye!